across, and somebody asked if I could make a tutorial about making acid noises on the Korg Monologue. So here it is. I'm starting with init patch. So the first thing I'm going to do is bring in the second oscillator, and I'm going to choose a square wave for VCO1 and a saw wave for VCO2. So that's it. With the filter fully open, I'm going to detune slightly, so about 5 cents sharp VCO2 versus VCO1. The octave is on the third from the top, and I'm going to go on the second lowest octave for the keyboard. Okay, so next, next thing to do, the type of envelope I'm going to put to the top, an AD envelope, and I'm going to dial in about halfway, so 500 on the decay. Envelope intensity is currently set to pitch, so I'm going to change that to cutoff, and I'm going to set it about halfway again, so the value is about 273. LFO, I'm going to set to a triangle wave, slow. The rate is not LFO, is not synced, and I want it on about 231 and about 50% intensity, and I want the target to be the shape. Okay, so now we need to give it some kind of acidness. So we use the filter and the resonance. So I'm going to turn the filter cut off to about 50%, and the resonance I'm just going to go up until we get it back just before it starts to self-oscillate. And then tweaking the filter, you get that bit more of a acidy sort of a sound. If you play with the envelope decay, you can make it more plucky if you turn it down, or you can make it sustain if you can go a bit further up. And finally, what I can do, you can add in a bit of drive to it and really get it going. So that's basically it, as far as I do it anyway. You can of course try the different envelope generator shape. So if we do the bottom one, which is full on, and then full, it's just basically on. And this time, if you tweak the envelope generator, you can really start to get some nice thumps. Okay, so that's the patch. Let's quickly just stab in a sequence. Let's do it in the key of G. So I'm just going to put in some notes. Let's see what that sounds like. When I'm playing back, I tend to just use the envelope generator, the decay amount. The filter cut off, obviously, and the resonance. The envelope intensity is also quite good to play with. And the LFO intensity. So if we then flick the envelope generator type back to the top, we can now do, with playing with the decay, and really make it choppy. Or extend it out. Now if we stick a bit of delay on it from the TR8S, let's see what we can get it to do. Maybe a bit much. Shift and press some steps. This is live step. There you go, acid on a monologue.